For the next balloon, you'll need a balloon inflated exactly half. How do you do that, you say? You take a balloon, you fold it in half. Dun-da-da, that seems to be the difficult part. Okay, you pinch it off, you grab the nozzle end, because the tail end's hard to blow up, then you blow up the rest. Just like that. That's how you get half of the balloon blown up. Once you do that, you're going to start by making a 1-inch bubble, followed by another 1-inch bubble, followed by twisting that 1-inch bubble. Then you're going to make a loop. The way I do that, by the way, is I hold with my thumb and finger, kinda, have my ring finger touch the balloon, pull it up, and then my thumb and pointer finger can pinch and twist all that together. Excuse me, okay, there was dinner. Okay, so we're going to take this little bubble here, we're going to roll it into the little loop-de-loop. That little loop-de-loop makes a nice little hammer, ow, and it also makes a good wheel of a motorcycle. Now, I start from the back to the front. Some people start from the front to the back, and then I do the front to the back, and back to the front, yeah, whatever. You just start on one side, work your way to the other. Whatever feels more comfortable. I will tell you, though, that working back to front is going to be more comfortable because that's the way I'm twisting. Okay, cool. So we're going to make a 1-inch bubble, followed by another 1-inch bubble. Give that a twist. Followed by another 1-inch bubble, followed by a 1-inch bubble. Give that a twist. And so we now have bubble, ear, twist, loop, bubble, ear, twist, bubble, ear, twist. That's the most of the bike. Now we're going to do the handlebars, which amazingly is bubble, ear, twist, bubble, ear, twist. I know, it's bubble. No. Just bubble. Twist it into the ear twist. Yeah, I change it up on you. And that's going to be the handlebars, the seat, the engine, the fork, I guess, of the motorcycle, the back wheel, the headlight. And then for the rest, you're going to make the front fork of the motorcycle, make a little ear twist. And the rest you're going to go breathe a little air into that. You're squeezing it to get a little bubble. Twisting that around. Rolling that in place, and you get a wonderful, amazing little motorcycle.